Hello boils and ghouls. Today we're going to Five Below to check out what they have unleashed for the Halloween 2025 season. If you love Halloween, subscribe to our channel for spooky content all year round. Let's see what creepy, cute, and budget-friendly surprises there are to stock up on this season. Step inside with us, if you dare. It's a pillow, $7.
Look, Nightmare Before Christmas slime. It's got fun confetti inside. A bunch. It's just clear.
Moon slime.
Got full moon, hazardous waste, blood worms, bloodworms. Yeah. Carve and create pumpkins.
6 ways to decorate. And the skeleton squad. Kitty cat slippers. Ghost. Well, I like these Jason slippers.
It's a sketchbook. It's a sketchbook.
That's awesome. These bags. That's pretty cool. Wow.
That is really cool. They have Chucky as well.
That's cool. Chucky. There's little
Feet prints.
feet prints. You're most likely to be your best friend. Voted most likely. Pennywise Squishmallows. And Five Nights at Freddy's.
Oh, you crochet it. These are fantastic too.
Crochet it Friday the 13th.
It's a kit that you make it yourself. Oh, they have
That's
more.
super cool. Chucky one.
I see Michael and Chucky.
Grim Reaper.
Yeah.
People love the Funko Pop.
They got little clowns.
Killer clowns. Funko minis. Some more notebooks.
Coloring book.
We don't have any. Okay. That's cool. Front page. So the cover pages have your print on them. And the pages that you write on have print. Chucky coloring book. That's really cool. Official.
Check that out.
Oh, I think I've seen this one before because I love this picture. I wanted to color this picture when I seen it. Him all
That's pretty
melted.
cool.
That's awesome.
Wow. They go all the way through. Them fighting.
That's cool.
That's really cool.
Yeah, that's awesome. Coloring book.
Don't do it, Georgie. Paper boat, just let it go. Look, it's him get his arm chewed off. Ooh, there's that infected thing. I forget. Yeah. These are super cool. Buddy ball pins. These are
Bracelet, Nightmare Before Christmas.
mini homework.
Cat and Ghost Room.
It's a hair clip.
That's cool.
And they have a Chucky one. He wants you for a best friend. And he's telling you.
Look at that. That's really cool. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty shirt. Little figures and blind bag things. Stitch. A bunch of squishmallows. Skill animals. Scooby-Doo figure.
Stop.
Wearing jack-o'-lantern costume. Hocus Pocus Funko minis. Crochet kit. Stitch.
They have Halloween shorts.
Oh, those are cute.
For
With
chicks.
bats.
Those aren't Halloween, they're just cute.
Yeah,
Cow
they
with
are.
milk. They were in with the Halloween ones. So there's ghosties holding pumpkin pills. Chucky.
Ooh, those are cool.
And they're soft, fuzzies. Snoopies.
Look at these bags. Oh, they have shirts too that are awesome. Jason, Freddy. Oh, this Exorcist shirt, that's cool. Oh, they have like Bela Lugosi, classic Dracula. Looks like a Jason shirt on there. Their socks.
Spa headbands. It's that Jack and Sally. Sure, that's fine.
Whole Nightmare Before Christmas section. Bath bombs. Pillows. Slippers. Ooh, look at the pants. That's cool, I like those.
Skellies.
Skeletons.
Oh my lord, is it doing the Fortnite dance?
Okay. Hold the L or whatever.
That's it. And a disco ghost.
Creepy witch animatronic. 5.5 foot tall. And there's some like pet beds. Look. Little projector. Mini strobe light. LED candles. Hanging candles. Inflatable pumpkin.
We got the stacks. These are $7 here. Not bad. We got
Yeah,
ghosties
stacking ghosts and jack-o'-lanterns.
and skulls.
Skulls. Skulls are cool.
Pumpkins too, that's why the pastel crap that they come out with. What is this?
Oh, they got paint stacking pumpkins too. Snake glass dispenser. Hey, they actually got like Halloween costume masks.
See, look, a pink version and a regular version.
The ghost face couple, scream couple, whatever you want to call it. Wolf mask.
Oh,
Jason beanie.
kitty cat
Kitty cat.
and a doggy.
See, they represent the kitty cats here at Five Below. I dig it.
This doesn't even count if it doesn't do the thing though.
Says it lights up.
Five Below really brought the spooky vibes this year. From creepy to cute, they had so many fun and budget-friendly Halloween finds. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our Halloween content. We've got plenty more coming your way, so until next time, stay spooky, my friends.